Hey, this is Dr. Corey from Canyon Lake Chiropractic and Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to talk about how active release technique can loosen up the hips.
So when there's trauma to an area such as in a car accident or a fall, or the tissue is under repetitive strain such as in standing a lot or sitting a lot, what happens is the tissue will start to lay down scar tissue or adhesions. And what these adhesions do is they jam up the muscle fibers and can affect how those muscle fibers move, which will ultimately break down the biomechanics of the joint and can lead to pain, stiffness, increased tension. With ART, what we're doing is we're finding those areas of dysfunction through palpation, through touch, grabbing a hold of those adhesions, and then the patient will actively move the tissue through their full range of motion or as far as they can comfortably to try and strip that scar tissue free. Repetitive passes are done to try and promote more range of motion. This can help restore the normal biomechanics and decrease pain, tension, and stiffness. If you like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe to our channel. If you would like to know more about ART or have a stubborn injury that you're dealing with, call the office at 702-256-2225 and we'll get you taken care of.